Hello, welcome to Embee. I'm Sudhir Kothari, CEO and Managing Director. It's almost 4 decades. Embee has been at the forefront of digital transformation, empowering more than 2,500 organizations across India with advanced IT solutions. We are proud to be recognized as a leading Microsoft partner, consistently earning accolades such as Microsoft Country Partner of the Year and many other awards. We've also been honored as SAP's Emerging Partner of the Year, reflecting our commitment to innovation and customer success. Our values of innovation, integrity, and customer centricity aren't just statements. They come to life in the AI-led solution we build, the way we co-create with clients during project rollouts, and the energy we bring to team huddles that push past traditional boundaries. At Embee, our values are always in motion. Here, your ideas fuel real impact, and your growth is our priority through mentorship, hands-on projects, and continuous learning. We strongly believe in entrepreneurial mindset. You'll own challenges, experiment boldly, and turn ideas into impact. We celebrate every milestone and then raise the bar higher. We measure success by the impact we create, and we never settle for good enough. If you're ready to make a difference, to learn fearlessly, and to build solutions that uplift businesses and communities, we invite you to explore opportunities with us. Join us and let's shape the future of technology together.